Hey guys, it's Jordan. We're still at Polytek. We're having so much fun here, we can't even quit. In fact, we've done a couple projects, including this one right here. Poor buddy is getting his hand life casted right now. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out too. But right now, we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna use bronze powder to make a bronze casting of this Polytek logo.
Right.
So Bill's gonna help us out with that.
This is real bronze, ground up into a powder. It's like a 325
This is
mesh.
real bronze.
Real bronze. And so we'll just dump some bronze in here. The bronze will kind of stick to the surface of the mold, right?
Got it.
So we're just going to kind of dump this around.
So just shake it up a little bit.
Shake it around. Trying
Looks
to
like
get it
cocoa powder, but it's 13 million times as hazardous. Got it. So that's it. You're just, this is just covering stuff in powder, basically.
Okay.
So this is all, that's real bronze.
Real bronze powder. Yep.
Yeah.
We want to make sure we dump out the extra, because if you leave any powder in there, it'll create a pocket in the resin that we're going to pour.
So all we have to do now is just mix up some resin, pour it in there, and it will actually take the bronze.
It'll pull the bronze out with it, and so you'll have a bronze surface on your resin part. So we're going to use EasyFlo for this. It's a fast curing plastic, and by fast I mean like 2.5 minutes fast.
2.5 minutes. So that's the open time on this?
Yes.
Is this is this by volume that you're
I'm going to do it
mixing?
by volume.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going to fill this cup about to there.
Okay.
And so we're also going to add some brown dye, just so that when you look at the back of this part, it also looks brown like bronze.
Got it.
And so I'm just going to add a couple drops of this. Not a lot.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing
nice
crazy.
and simple.
And I'll just pre-mix that in the part B.
Right, with a, what'd you say, 2-minute open time?
2.5 minutes. Yeah.
And you can demold after 2.5 minutes?
No,
or do you need to
demold
wait?
about 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Still, that's fast.
Now, just like in baking again, we'll dump this in here.
Scraping the sides, making sure we got everything.
Yeah. Add the A. Woo.
And then we mix.
And you can see I'm kind of stirring in a figure 8 here.
Yep.
This mixes easily because it's like water. It's very thin. So I'm going to try to pour without getting too much force behind it, because I don't want to disturb the bronze powder, right?
So this is a very gentle pour.
Yeah,
I
pouring
see.
gentle, slowly. Okay, so this looks good.
That's it.
Then we'll just pour this, just because we have extra resin.
Well, it'll be nice. We can see the difference then too, right?
Yep.
This is great. All right, 2 minutes before it cures, 10 minutes demold. Let's fast forward. So we got to demold this.
Yeah.
Is it just as simple as bending this? What's the best practice here?
Pick it up, bend it.
That comes out very easy. I'm gonna loosen these up just a little bit more. Ready for this? I'm gonna lift this up so you can see. There we go. Look at that. That is actual bronze. So we gotta polish it, right?
Yeah. And so to
Look
do
at that. From nowhere.
And since we only have a very fine powder coat on the surface, we also want to be gentle so we don't burn right through it.
There's not a lot of pressure.
Right.
You're not scrubbing really hard right now.
Do you see the shine starting
Yeah.
to develop there? You start to see a little bit of that metallic look.
All right. So that's pretty much it, right?
Yep.
I'm just gonna.
And you can
Oh,
continue
wow.
and polish it to whatever finish you want.
So
You
it
know,
does,
very shiny, or
This will get really shiny
it would, yeah. You just need to be careful that you don't burn through
and get
that
all
light.
the way.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Awesome. Bill, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Appreciate you showing me how to use this bronze. And then give this a try yourself. Check out Polytek. So many great products. It's so much fun being a part of this big family. Big fan. We'll see you again.